Welcome, lovely children, to my enchanted castle. You are the luckiest children in the whole kingdom because you are going to be taught the alphabets A, B, C, all the way to Z by a queen. I am the greatest alphabets teacher in the entire kingdom. And to prove it to you, I shall make you meet my talking magical mirror, who will vouch for me.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the greatest alphabets teacher of them all? Tell my lovely children.
Greetings, Your Majesty. You are, by far, the most knowledgeable teacher for the alphabets in the entire kingdom. But hold, what is this I see? A lovely maid I see. She is much more knowledgeable and a far greater teacher of the alphabets than thee.
What? Who dares to know the ABC better than me in the kingdom? You're lying to me, Mirror. You're lying to me.
I'm not lying to you, my queen. See for yourself.
Good morning, my little friends. Don't feel shy. We are going to have a lot of fun today, learning all the alphabets from A to Z. We are going to my friend Cinderella's palace, where we have our classroom. It's going to be so much fun. Welcome, my little friends, to our alphabets classroom at the Cinderella Palace. You're going to enjoy this learning so much. So let's start the alphabets. A for apple. B for bashful. C for curtains. D for dancing. E for excited. F for flowers. G for grumpy. H for hunter. I for invention. J for joy. K for kitchen. L for love. M for magic. N for nails. O for ornaments. P for pie. Q for quest. R for rabbit. S for sleepy. T for trouble. U for unique. V for wise. W for witch. X for X-ray. Y for young. Z for zoo. So these were the alphabets, my little friends. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. I love you all so much.